Guys, this is Actor. Today is 31st of May 2007. I'm looking to try the GBPNZD in the 1 hour time frame. It's London Open hasn't opened yet. It's about 1 hour left for market to open. I'm seeing a flag formation. Okay, I took this trade right here, this triangle break yesterday. Okay, I wrote it for from here more or less to here. Now I'm seeing a flag formation. Okay, it's very clear in the chart with a nice pole, very nicely defined pole, and a nicely defined flag in itself. Okay, so basically I'm looking for a breakout to the downside in the direction of the main trend as dictated by the moving averages as usual, parallel to each other. A retrace back to the dynamic area of support. I'm also liking how well if you measure this downswing, okay, up here is the 61% Fibonacci. I've measured it already, and also the previous swing low right here for working as support is now working as resistance right there. Let me clean up the charts a little bit. You see this level, former support, now working as resistance up there, and of course also the 271 round number. Okay, all that comes together around the dynamic area of resistance. Okay, so basically what I'm looking to try this in London Open type of trade. Okay, so as usual, the plan is to wait for a breakout to the downside with a posterior pullback and a continuation, okay, of the move, triggering my short as we make new lows for the day, and full potential move of this possible trade, it would be the distance from here to here added to the retracement of to the tip of the retracement, which I'm gonna measure it right now for you guys. Okay, if you get the whole extension of the pole added to the tip of the retracement, it takes us to the more or less to the 269.10, 269.15 area. That's where I will place my exit order. Okay, it's a very typical type of trade that I take very often. If you've seen my videos in the past, you will see that you've probably seen that it's a typical trade setup that I like to trade. Okay, in the direction of the main trend. Okay, wait for a pattern to develop, a pattern formation, and a breakout of that pattern, okay, takes me into a trade in the direction of the main trend, hoping to ride a new swing down. Just as yesterday I traded this triangle breakout, okay, with the breakout, the pullback, and gives way to a new swing down. Well, now basically we have the same thing, okay, waiting for a new ride to the downside. Okay, well, that's basically it, guys. I'll keep you updated if I get an entry. If the breakout takes place to the upside, well, the whole thing will be cancelled and I will be looking into this trade no longer. Okay, that's it. I'll pause the video now and I'll keep you updated. Okay, alright, bye bye. Hi guys, just a quick update. It's been about an hour and a half since the last part of the video. Just to let you know that it seems like a breakout to the downside is actually about to take place. I'm liking the way we've seen the breakout and the pullback, retesting again the 270.50 round number and these previous lows down there, former support now working as resistance up there, and we are bouncing back down to the downside. I've already placed my seller stop order in my live account right there. Okay, I will get triggered as we make new lows for today, and my stop loss is going to be set above the pullback aspect, okay, right up there, but I've decided to stretch my stop loss just a little bit, okay, just 5 pips, 6 pips above where I should usually place it, which would be right about there, but I've decided to stretch it up 5 further pips to get an extra protection from the 270.50 round number right there. So my stop loss is going to be at 270.55 level, just above there, like I said, just to get a little bit of extra protection. You know, it's always good to have as many elements possible in your favor, you know, when it comes to protect your stop. And well, I'd rather stretch my stop 5 pips and get a little bit more of protection from the round number and these previous lows down there. Okay. Well, that's basically it. Like I say, recapping a little bit, we've had the breakout, the retest, and the continuation is about to take place. My orders are placed on my left account, and well, we'll see if I get triggered. I think I will be riding a nice read down. You never know. I mean, this might perfectly turn as a loser, but I think it's worth a try. Okay, guys, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi guys, this Hector again. One final update, 10:45 a.m. in the morning. Just exited my position. The trade has reached its final full potential target, just above the 269.00 area, right there. So I'm out of the trade for 70 pips. Because of the larger spread of this currency pair, but nonetheless, 70 pips is a nice profit for the day. Well, let's see. Recapping a little bit. Basically, same story as yesterday's trade. This was yesterday's trade. I wrote this down from here to here. Today was a similar formation as well. In this case, today we saw a flag breakout, okay, right off the dynamic area of support. Also the 50% Fibonacci level right there, and the previous swing bottom of former support working as resistance, and the 271.00 round number. Okay, that was the confluence that I was. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it better. That was the confluence, the level of confluence that I based my trade on, okay? And the breakout of this flag formation right there, okay, triggered my short entry to the downside in the direction of the main trend as usual. My pre-entry requirements, the moving averages parallel to each other, pointing in the same direction, etc., etc., basically pointing me out that we are indeed in a downtrend. So I zoomed into the 15-minute chart. Breakout of the flag right there, retrace, you see that? Retrace with that green bar, okay, retesting also the 270.50 around a number, okay, and as we made new lows, I triggered my short entry, stop above that 270.50 round number and above the pullback. The pullback aspect of any breakout, you know, breakout, pullback, continuation. Well, stop loss above the pullback, entry as we made new lows for the day. I took a little bit of heat in there, to be honest. I chew few nails to. When I enter in a position, I like I like to try to move my direction fairly quickly, okay, which it did right here, but it's spiked up, you know, briefly. I sort of came not too close, but you know, within 15 pips, 20 pips of my stop loss, but nonetheless, sure enough, the trend did the rest for me, pushing price down, and that's why I always trade in the direction of the trend, because, well, basically you have the it's like sailing with the wind on your back. It's an external force pushing price or your boat in your direction. All right.